VedV Publication Education for Excellence.
Chapter 10 Visual Basic Part 1. You will learn in this chapter about event-driven programming, Visual Basic 2008 IDE, components of Visual Basic 2008, different mode of VB program, tools of Visual Basic, creating first application, saving a Visual Basic project, closing Visual Basic project, opening an existing project. Visual Basic is a GUI based programming language which was derived from Basic language. It is user-friendly programming language designed for beginners. With the help of Visual Basic, you can develop window-based applications and games. Visual Basic provides an easy platform to learn programming in an easy-to-use graphical environment. It is much easier platform to learn programming. Event-driven program. Visual Basic is an event-driven programming language. It means when you perform any action or key on key or mouse, the particular block of code of the corresponding event is executed and the output of the program display. The idea is event-driven programming is that the program is designed to react when the fire an event. It reacts to specify kind of input from the user, whether it's click on command button and entry to the text box or any kind of events. And event-driven programming is also known as event-driven application. Visual Basic 2008 IDE. Visual Basic 2008 is a language used to program on window-based applications to specify the process of application development. Visual Basic provides an environment that is common to all language, which is known as IDE. The IDE enables the programmers to do as much as possible with baby tools. Before writing code, the IDE provides tools for designing, executing and debugging your applications. The IDE consisting of few panes names. First, the recent project pane. It shows the list of the project that is being created by the recently. The getting started pane, it provides some helpful tips to quickly develop your application. The VB Express headline pane, it provides latest online news about Visual Basic at Express. It announces new releases and updates. Components of Visual Basic 2008. The Visual Basic IDE is made up of numbers of components. All Visual Basic IDE components are as follow. Menu bar. It is displayed at the top of the window. Menu bar displays the commands that are required to build an application. The main menu item has sub-menus, items that can be chosen when needed. Toolbar. The toolbar is present just below the menu bar. It provides a quick access to the commonly used commands, and a button in the toolbar is clicked once to carry out the action assigned by it. Main window. The main window is a workspace area where all the objects of Visual Basics are placed. Form designer. This is an area where the front end of any application is designed. On form, we can add control graphics and pictures. This is a place where actual designing of application is done. Solution explorer. This lists the forms and modules in the current project. A project is a collection of files that are used to build an application. Toolbox. A toolbox is a set of tools that is used during the design time to place control on a form. Each tool has a unique property. The properties window. It is display the list of properties, settings and select from the controls. A property is a characteristics of an object or control such as size, caption, color, etc. Window code window. This is an editor window used for Visual Basic programming. A separate coding editor window. It is created for each form or code module in the application. Different modes in VB programming. In Visual Basic programming, there are three modes. First is design mode. In design mode, you can design forms, add control buttons, write codes and set its property. Second is run mode. Once the code is designed in the design mode, user can execute the code of the written program. At this mode, you actually get the result of the program. Next is break mode. If the application generates errors or does not give the desired result, you can halt the program and modify the data and remove the errors. Tools of Visual Basic. Visual Basic tools are present on the left side of the window. This tool are also called Visual Basic controls. The some controls are as follow. The label. The label is used to display some informative text on the form which is not changed during runtime. The commonly used properties of labels are name. This helps to identify the label. Font. This helps to set the font size and font style. Text. It holds the text that display in the label. Visible. This property indicates whether the label is visible on the form or not. If the visible property is true, this means the label is visible on the form, and false indicated that the label is not visible in the form. Text box. A text box control is used to display or accept the input as single line of text. Text box control is used during runtime. If we use text box to enter text and numbers, text box control is used during runtime. We can use text box to enter text and numbers. The commonly used properties of text box are name. This helps to identify the text box. Font. This helps to identify the font size and font style, etc. Text. This holds the text that it will be displayed in the text box. Multi-line. By default, the text box expects the single lines of the character. If you need to enter more than one line in the text box, you should change the multi-line property to true. Max length. Max length property sets the maximum numbers of characters or words the users can input into the text box control. That means you can limit the user's input by this property. Password character. Sometimes you want a text box to receive password from the user. In this order, you can use password confidential. You can set the password character property of the text box to specify characters. Buttons. This is used for simple push button and lets the user to tell the program to perform an action. When the user clicks on the button, the programming codes returns to push the button and get executed. A button can be clicked by using the mouse enter key or space bar if button has focus. The common use properties of the text buttons are name. This helps to identify the button. Font. This helps to set the font size styles of the button. Text. This holds the text to display the button. Creating first application. To start creating the first VB application, you need to click on File and select New Project. The following VB 2008 New Project dialog box will appear on the screen as shown in the figure. The dialog box offers you 5 types of project that you can create. As we are going on learning the Create Window Application, select Window Form. Applications. At the bottom of this dialog box, you can change the default project name Windows Application 1 to some other name like you like. For example, new app.vb. After you have renamed the project, click on Continue. The following ID will appear. It consisting of empty forms as Form 1, the Common Control Toolbox, the Solution Explorer and the property as shown in the figure. Add control to the form. To add control form, the control toolbox. To add control form, the toolbox to the form, follow this step. From the toolbar, select box, the text toolbox in the form. Drag the text box from form in the desired position. The control will appear on the form. Set its properties, size, font, colors from the property window. Add a button to the similar manner to the form. Set buttons property text is equals to show coding of an application. To write the code of an application, following application, follow this step. Double click on the button placed on the form. The code window appears with pre-written lines of codes. In the event, type the following code between the pre-written code. Text box 1.text is equals to, this is my very first application in VB, executing a Visual Basic project. Once you have designed a form and write this code, it's time to execute the product. Visual Basic provides 3 different ways to execute an application. Press F5 shortcut key from the keyboard. Click Start Debugging icon from the toolbar. On the menu bar under Debug option, click on the Start Debugging. When we run the above application, the message will display in the text box by clicking on Show button. Result before running application and result after running application. Saving a Visual Basic project. To save a Visual Basic project, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File tab, Save option, form1.vb. The dialog box will appear to the Save the project. Choose the location to save. To save all the forms and projects of Visual Basic, click on Save All. The Save Project window appears, gives the name of the projects and click Save. The Visual Basic forms are saved with an extension of .vb. Closing Visual Basic project. To close Visual Basic project, follow these steps. Click on File, Close Project. The Close Project dialog box appear. Select Save button to save the project and discard to close without saving. The project will close. Opening an existing project. To open a save project in Visual Basic, follow these steps. Click on File, Open Project. The Open Project dialog box will appear. Select the required project and click on Open. The selected project will open and all the forms in the project will be listed in the Solution Explorer.
VedV Publication, Education for Excellence.